Welcome student in this second revision video lecture. In this video lecture, we will learn practical based question. What is MySQL? It is a DBMS that manages and manipulate bulk data. So what is SQL? It is a fourth generation non-procedural language that enable in every DBMS to communicate with server. Next, how DBMS work? DBMS work based on client-server architecture. Suppose this is a client and this is a server. Client is front-end process where user can write their queries and send to the server as a request, whereas server is a backend process that user cannot see. It processes the client request and send result as a response. Here, select asterisk from book is a SQL language that sends to the MySQL server. Server process it and return back as a result of all record of a book table. Now types of MySQL and SQL command. SQL commands are classified in 5 categories. Number 1, data manipulation language, that is DML. Second, data definition language, that is DDL. Third, transition control language, that is TCL. Fourth, session control language, and fifth, system control language. But in our syllabus we have to learn only first two, that is DML and DDL commands. Now DML command. There are 4 main DML commands are select, update, delete and insert. Suppose a teacher table with following data. So let's start to do some question based on this table. Question number 1. To display all information about teacher of PGT category. Answer is select asterisk from teacher. Here asterisk sign is a wildcard, means all columns of table, and from is a clause of select command to identify the table name. Question number 2. List out the name of all female teachers of Hindi department. Answer is select name from teacher where gender equal to F and department equal to Hindi. Here student, I written only name in select statement. Why? Because we are demanding only the name of female employees, and where is a clause, and here and is an operator. Next question. Question number 3. List out name, department and date of hiring of all the teacher in ascending order of their date of joining. Answer is select name, department, hire date from teacher, order by hire date. Here order by is an clause used to display data either in ascending order or descending order. By default, order by is always in ascending order. Question number 4. Write SQL query to count number of teachers in English department. Answer is select count asterisk from teacher where department equal to English. Here count is a function used to count how many rows. Question number 5. List out name, department and salary of all teachers who are working either in English or Maths department and their salary more than 22,000. Answer is select name, department, salary from teacher where department in English, comma, Maths and salary greater than 22,000. Here in is an operator used to check for existence. Question number 6. List out name, department and salary of all teachers who are working neither in English nor in Maths department and their salary more than 22,000. Answer is select name, department, salary from teacher where department not in English, Maths and salary greater than 22,000. Here not in is an operator used to check for non-existence. Question number 7. List out ID, name and salary of all teachers joined between 1980 and 1990 and descending order by their name. Answer is select ID, name, salary from teacher where hire date between 1980 0101 and 1919 1231. I written here first date of January month because we want the record between 1980 and here I written last date of December month because we want just before 1990 or 1990. That's why. And here this between is an operator, that is check the result between any range. So student, here I am winding up this video lecture. In case of any doubt, you can contact or mail me. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.